Right, what I've been doing today, I've made some steel rims up, which on the drawing there should be a metal rim, so I've done that. Drilled and countersunk all the way around. And I've also bent all of the spokes, trimmed some off so I could actually have a trial fit together. It's looking good. So now what I've got to do, these rims, I've got some small countersunk rivets. That's to fit these on both wheels. And then I should be able to rivet all the spokes in place and final assemble it. I've got these little rivets here for that. Little dome head rivets. So the wheels are ready for final assembly.